Hey there! You're a student in India, right? And let me guess, you've got the ambition to earn some extra cash while hitting the books? Well, what if I told you it's not just a dream? You can make serious money online, working just 1 to 4 hours a day. Ready? Let's dive in. First up, web development. Even basic skills can earn you 50,000 to 2 lakh rupees a month. Start with website builders like WordPress or Wix. Step it up with coding for serious freelance gigs. Next, video editing. Platforms like YouTube and TikTok need video editors. Use free tools like DaVinci Resolve to earn 30,000 to 1,20,000 rupees a month. If writing is your thing, try content writing. Strong writing skills can earn you 20,000 or more per month. Publish on platforms like Medium or LinkedIn to grow your brand. Got an eye for aesthetics? Design skills could be your ticket. Start with Canva and earn 15 to 20,000 rupees per month. Master tools like Adobe Illustrator to increase earnings. Finally, freelancing. You're the boss. Choose your projects and schedule. Sites like Fiverr and Upwork connect you to global clients, perfect for a busy student like you. With just 1 to 4 hours a day, you can start earning serious money. The more you upskill, the more you can earn. Are you ready to grab it? If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. Drop a comment below if you're ready to start your online earning journey. I'll see you in the next one. Let's make it happen.